Hello friends, welcome to the video number 22 for the JavaScript video tutorial series. And well, in this video we're gonna continue talking about the if block. In the previous video, video 21, we just saw the if, and well, the example that we used, we said that we were evaluating a student probably, and we are storing the grade in a variable, well, called grade. And well, we saw that the only thing that we need to do is to use the reserved word if, and then between these parentheses we are gonna place the comparison that we want to make. In this case, we said that we were gonna use an evaluation scale from 0 to 10, and the passing grade would be 7, or right, greater than 7 or greater or equal than 7, and it's what we are evaluating here. So if this evaluation is true, then we saw that JavaScript is going to get inside of the if block, and it's going to execute every line of code or every statement that it finds in here. And well, if this evaluated to false, it just skips the whole block and just continues with the rest of the document, or the rest of the script, whatever is the case. Um, so well, let's just look this one more time in Chrome. We say pass, good job, and this is the line outside of the if block, is this one right here. And well, of course, we saw that if we have non-sufficient grade, it just skips everything, and we don't display basically anything. Well, in this case, remember, we also said that here, for example, we can place whatever it is we want or we need. We can call other functions and do all sorts of things. But well, for this example, it would be nice to let the student know what is happening with the grade, right? Instead of just not displaying anything on the screen. So the way to do that is very, very simple. And the only thing we need to do is just to add right on the side of this curly brace, just add the word else, right? So if this is true, you are gonna do this else. So pretty straightforward, just like plain English. Else you are gonna do, well, whatever it is we want or we need. In this case, we're gonna do basically the same thing, but of course we're gonna say fail and something like please try again. So now the student is gonna have to have an extraordinary exam or go to an extraordinary course or whatever it is that applies. And so now we are covering both cases, right? In case this evaluates true, this is going to happen. Otherwise, or if it's false, of course, then this is going to happen. Well, let's just save this. And well, we can see the fail, please try again, and this is the line outside of the if block right here. And of course, it still works if we go to a good grade. It's gonna say pass, good job. Right, so now we can take actions not only if this evaluates to true, but of course if this evaluates to false, then we have another possibility. Now we're gonna leave the video right here. There are still more things that we can do with the if block, but I think the video is gonna extend too much. So in the next video we're gonna see what we can do. Probably you're thinking, okay, we only can have like true or false. What else we can do? Well, it's just for different cases or scenarios, right? In this case, for example, we might want to display some kind of a more personalized, well, not personalized, but some other type of greeting depending on the grade. So if it's between 7 and 8.4, we can just say good. And if it's between 8.5 and 9.9, we can say very good. And if it's 10, we can say, I don't know, like excellent or perfect. So we may want to have these different cases or scenarios, and we're gonna see how to do that with the if block. But let's do that in the next video. And well, of course, and as always, I hope that you have found this video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share and like the video, and well, that's it. I hope to see you on the next video.